GFM has been a top-rated management team for the past 15 years. With our professional and experienced workers, we get the job done. As the largest right-of-way mowing contractor in Virginia, we take pride in our work. We have large fleets, large crews, and we specialize in large projects. GFM also offers roadside maintenance, safety management, herbicide, guardrail cleaning, brush removal, and roadside littering cleanup. Safety is always our #1 priority in all we do. We mow 42,000 acres a year, and you can find our team working to make roads safer, cleaner, and more attractive. Our professional workers follow all OSHA standards, and our diverse, experienced team is what makes GFM who we are.